Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, and as you can see what I'm holding in my hand right now, it's Redman Super Sponge Cake Mix and it's the original version. And as you can see, that's the original Kawaii D one. And she's too busy to make the video. That's why I'm doing this by myself because she's learning and playing the piano. Let's start. Woo. For the recipe, we will need 250 grams of the cake mix, 5 eggs, and 50 grams of butter and 50 grams of water. The first step that we're going to do today is separate 5 eggs. Now we're gonna whisk out the 8 whites. Now we have stiff peas. We're going to put 50 ml of butter and 50 ml of water and all 4 of the 8 yolks in there, in the mix, flour mix. Whisk it all together. This is not part of the recipe, but I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. The next step is folding in the 8 whites. Now since the 8 white has been folded, we're going to put it in the baking dish. put it in the oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees. All done. Now we just need to let it cool before we can decorate it. While we decide to decorate the cake, I have some trimmings that I would like to try. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and don't forget to subscribe. Click here to subscribe and click here to watch more of my other videos. Bye!